Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Heroine of the Black Moonlight Always Want to Mark Me, chapter 31. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, Sue said to Luyang, say it again. She was picking her up. Luyang surely wanted to tease Sue at this moment. Look at her. She was grinning. Also, it seems that she was proud on herself. No matter how many times I say, it's the same. Kuyu has no such intentions towards you at all. Luyang said to her. Now, it makes sense. This girl surely wanted trouble. Does have anything to do with you. Stay away from her. Sue said to Luyang. Now she's been warning her to stay away from Guyu. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. What if I say no? What are you doing? Well, finally, Guyu was here, and she can see that Luyang and Sue was also here, but there's something wrong with them. Well, at least for now, Sue said, it's nothing. We were just acting together. Well, perfect. She can able to think of perfect alibi, so Sue, she can able to cover the self. Well, it seems that starting soon, I'll join you too. Well, Kuya suddenly for the two of them. Still, she was holding a cups. Well, this time, she doesn't know that these two are really fighting for her. Starts when you are ready, Lu Yang suddenly said. But Lu Yang, it turns out she was a tricky person and she really wanted to wage a war on Sue. Guyu said to Lu Yang, wait a minute, this is the freshly brewed coffee. Try it first. It's a quite fragrant. Now, it makes sense. Guyu, since she doesn't know that there's a commotion between the two of them. Of course, Sue, she looks like she isn't jealous. The current Guyu is completely different from the Guyu in her memory, as if the different soul lives in his body. Now, she was thinking about this. Am I really falling in love with Kuyu? No, I have to take back everything that Ku family took away from me. By then, Kuyu and I will be destined to be rival. So I said to herself, have you finished drinking? Time is running out. Let's start acting quickly. Well, so I said to Kuyu, now let's see what's gonna happen. It seems that this scene, it was really getting troublesome. At this moment, the coffee, it seems to be empty. Well, we can really wait to see what's gonna happen since that the three are really getting awkward to each other. But Luyang, she continued to insist to get close to Guyu. But Luyang said, are you okay, miss? This time, they're really playing. And it turns out she can able to perform well. But for Guyu, this is the first time the heroine and the second female lead meet the script. Well, it seems that she was still invested and she really can believe that Luyang and hers will be acting together. But at this time, the second female lead fell into the ground and rescued by the female lead who was by passing by. So it turns out it was the turn of Sue. Miss, your heels are broken. Can I hold your hand and walk with you? Or I can carry you. Lu Yang said to her. Still, she out of balance. This time, we can really expect that Guyu will help her. Guyu said, stop. Lu Yang, you haven't done your homework as the heroine in the script. You only help her. Where is that part? Well, Sue, she continued to contest on Luyang. Or do you harbor selfish motives? You are wrong. Director Shen and also says that he appreciates the ability to improvise according to the role. Well, Luyang suddenly said to her, I just think this encounter needs more interaction. How could she assumes that about me? It's really heartbreaking, don't you think, little Kuyu? Now, what do you think? She can evil to protect her or this guy is really becoming more and more out of touch. Kuya said to herself, but Luyang, she continued to stick on hers. But this moment, it seems that Sue, she is really getting jealous. Luyang, I'm an alpha. It's not right for you to get so close to me. Kuya suddenly said to Luyang, well, Luyang, at least, for now, she backed up, but still, Sue, she came in and trying to hold Kuyu. Well, her eyes, it's really first thing. We can see that. She was looking straight. Well, at this moment, she was holding Kuyu. Miss, I feel like I have known you for the countless of years. Sue suddenly said to Kuyu, well, the thing, it's really getting sweeter, right? Especially when Sue said endearment. Looking at Luyang, she was sulking. Hump, you still have the nerve to talk about me. Well, it seems that this girl, she won't really back down on this, and she wants to compete it with Sue itself so she can able to win the heart of Kuyu. Miss Sue also started to get in the role. It's so easy to show such a complex emotions and eyes. Well, Kuya suddenly said, but she's known that Sue, she is really good at acting. If I have known that, you would be fall in love with her the first time and take her away from me. I would have wished I have never met you. Sue, she keeps staring at hers, but Kuyu, she keeps watching hers. I wish you had been found and killed on that rainy night. Oh, that was really first right. It turns out the script. It's really getting too far. But now, Sue, she can able to fix her emotion quickly. Look at her. She was crying. Don't do this. Please. Sue, she was really good at acting. Now, Kuyu, Hugh, Sue's acting was so good. It turns out she got mesmerized and also enchanted. How Sue can able to perform well during this time. Well, still, she kept staring on hers. But Kuyu, you have to remember, Kuyu said to herself, at least at this moment, she can able to hold down herself, not too much show her affections toward hers. Moving closer, Sue said to her, I won't let you go. This time, it is really sweet and also it was really sincere. Well, we can really wait to see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!